Last class I have discussed one more questions. In today's class I am going to take two more questions from the model paper 1. So look at the first question, question number 11. Let star be a binary operation on Q. Q means set of rational numbers. Defined by A star B is equal to AB divided by 2. A into B divided by 2. A and B are two numbers in general. And A star B is nothing but, star is nothing but, it is a product of two numbers divided by 2. Where A and B are again rational numbers only, then show that star is associative. We know that associative law, commutative law. Okay. Associative law means A star into bracket open B star C is equal to A star B into bracket close star C. Okay. This is what the associative property, and we need to prove that left hand side value, right hand side value must be equal. A star, write this first term as this first number, say A, and B star C. A star B is equal to AB by 2. Similarly, B star C means BC by 2. BC by 2. That is equal to A star B means AB by 2 star C. Once again apply the same property, that is A star B is equal to AB divided by 2. Take BC by 2 as a second number. Say it is B and the three quarter. BC by 2 now simply say X and the three quarter. One single term in the treatment. A star B and the AB by 2. Similarly, A star into second number, that is A into BC by 2 divided by 2. Same thing on right hand side also. AB by 2 into C divided by 2. Now A into BC is ABC divided by 2, and this 2 become 1 by 2. Simply 2 and 3 divided by 1. In same thing, ABC divided by 2 into 2. ABC divided by 4, that is equal to ABC divided by 2 into 2. 4. Left hand side value is equal to right hand side value. Left hand side value, right hand side value are same. Therefore, star is associative. Write the conclusion. Therefore, star is associative. Star is associative. Take next question. Question number 12. Find the principal value of cot inverse of minus 1 by root 3. Take that function as a y. Let us take the given function as a y. Let y is equal to cot inverse of minus 1 by root 3. Now take this cot inverse to the left hand side. It becomes simply cot. Cot y is equal to minus 1 by root 3. Now cot y is equal to, so write this negative sign as is 1 by root 3. Replace 1 by root 3 in terms of cot of pi by 3. Cot y is equal to minus cot of pi by 3. Next, pi by 3 means what? 60 degree. Cot 60 tan 30 sin 1 by root 3. And then cot y is equal to is cot of pi minus pi by 3 I can write. Okay, we have to convert this into positive form only. Then only we can eliminate the same function on both the sides. We write that formula because cot of pi minus theta is minus cot theta. Minus cot theta. Now we can easily eliminate this function on both the sides. Then y is equal to what? Pi minus pi by 3. Pi minus pi by 3. So pi minus pi by 3, which is 2 pi by 3. 120 degree. It belongs to the open interval 0 to pi. 0 to pi. Open interval 0 to pi is the principal value branch of cot inverse of x. So 2 pi by 3 means what? 120 degree, which is more than 0, less than pi. Okay. 2 pi by 3 is the principal value of cot inverse of minus 1 by root 3. See the next question, number 13. Find the area of the triangle whose vertices are minus 2, minus 3, 3, 2 and minus 1, minus 8 using the determinants. So we have the formula area of triangle is equal to half into determinant of x1 y1 1 and second row will be x2 y2 1 x3 y3 1 This is what the formula used to calculate area of triangle whenever the three vertices are given. Very important question and easy. Let me take area as simply A. That is A is equal to half into. Now do the substitution. X1, Y1 is nothing but the first vertex minus 2, minus 3. Minus 2, minus 3, 1. And similarly 3, 2, 1. Minus 1, minus 8, 1. A is equal to half into. This is expanded using first row. Minus 2 into. So minus 2 is an element of first row and first column. So leave the first row and first column. 2 into 1. It is 2. Minus into minus plus 8. Minus of minus 3 into. Again leave the first row, second column. 3 into 1, 3. Minus into minus 1 into plus 1, which is minus 1. Plus 1 into 3 into minus 8, minus 24. Minus 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, minus into minus plus 2. A is equal to half into minus 2 plus 8, 10. 10 into minus 2, minus 22. Minus into minus plus 3 into 3 plus 1, 4. 4 into plus 3, plus 12. Minus 24 plus 2, minus 22 into 1 is minus 22. 2 plus 8, 10 into 2. Minus 2 into 10 is minus 20. Minus into minus plus 3 into 4. 3 4 is 12. Minus 24 plus 2. Minus 22. That is equal to half into minus 20 minus 22. Minus 42 plus 12. Minus 30. So that is equal to, the cancellation is minus 15. Minus 15. So area is always positive, so that is why you have to keep in positive form. Say area A is equal to 15 square units. 15 square units. Next question, question number 14. 14, 15, 16. These three questions are from differentiation. Solution. Take the given function y is equal to cos of log x plus e to the power of x. This is not the given function, and just we need to calculate the derivative of this. For that, differentiate both sides with respect to x. So derivative of y with respect to x is what? dy by dx. That is equal to cos of log x plus e to the power of x is a composite function. So use chain rule. So for the time being, you treat this function as a simply x. So whatever the function is there within the brackets, so then the x of the treatment. So derivative of cos x go to the limit minus sin x. So minus sine of. So write that function as this. So it is log x plus e to the power of x. Now chain rule apply and take the derivative of the function which is inside the bracket. Derivative of log x antandre 1 by x. Derivative of e raised to x antandre e raised to x. See the next question, number 15. Find dy by dx if sin square x plus cos square y is equal to 1. So write that function now. Let sin square x plus cos square y is equal to 1. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x. So derivative of sin square x is 2 sin x into cos x. 2 sin x into cos x. So use chain rule. So derivative of sin x you know, but derivative of higher powers like sin square x, sin cube x, sin to the power of 4x. So if the higher powers iddaga ನಾವು chain rule apply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So chain rule apply ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ಬೇಸ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ sin x ಇರಲಿ cos x ಇರಲಿ tan x ಇರಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಬರೀ x ಅಂತ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ derivative of x square ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. Derivative of x square is 2 into x. Similarly, derivative of sin square x is 2 into sin x. And then take the derivative of base. Okay, derivative of sin x is what? Cos x. Similarly, for the second term also, cos square y ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ derivative of cos x ಗೊತ್ತು, but derivative of cos square here powers ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. So use chain rule. So derivative of x square ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 2x. So it is 2 into x ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ cos y. And now take the derivative of base. Derivative of cos y with respect to x ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ it is minus sin y into dy by dx. dy by dx. That is equal to derivative of 1 is 0. So last students the dy by dx very new. Okay, then you dy by dx very antandre completely wrong. So look at the function here. Derivative of log x. Say for example, derivative of log x is d by dx of log x is what? Derivative of log x is what? 1 by x. So derivative of log x with respect to x is what? 1 by x. But derivative of log y with respect to x ಅಂದಾಗ ಈ log y ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ derivative of log y ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 1 by y into derivative that is dy by dx. Derivative of log y with respect to x is 1 by y into dy by dx. Similarly, derivative of cos y with respect to x ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ minus sin y into dy by dx. So 2 sin x into cos x. Use trigonometric formula 2 sin theta into cos theta and sin 2 theta. So it is sin 2x minus plus into minus 2 cos y into sin y. 2 sin 2y into dy by dx. That is equal to 0. Now take this plus sin 2x to the right hand side. Then minus sin 2y into dy by dx. That is equal to plus sin 2x become minus sin 2x. Okay. So we can cancel this negative sign on both the sides. Simply it is dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to what? Sin 2x. Take this sin 2y to the right hand side. Become sin 2x divided by sin 2y. This is what the derivative of the given function. Like next question number 16. This is also from differentiation only. Find d2y by dx2 of the given function. Let y is equal to x cube plus tan x. Okay, this is what the given function, and we need to calculate second order derivative of the given function. Actually, this is from successive differentiation. Differentiate matter also first. Differentiating both sides with respect to x. Differentiate matter. So derivative of y with respect to x is simply dy by dx. And the derivative of x cube is 3 times of x square. And derivative of tan x. Tan x is a standard function and its derivative will be what? Secant square x. Okay. And here it is asked to find d2y by dx2. So that is why differentiate this function again. Differentiating both sides with respect to x. So derivative of dy by dx is d2y by dx2. Derivative of dy by dx with respect to x is d square y by dx square. That is equal to 3 is a constant. Write this as it is and take the derivative of x square. Derivative of x square will be what? X plus. So look at the second term. Derivative of sec x, the sec x into tan x, but derivative of secant square x. Here powers antandre chain rule apply madutte. For that, treat this sec x as simply x. Derivative of x square is what? 2x. So it is 2 into sec x. And take the derivative of base. Derivative of sec x is what? Sec x into tan x. Just do the simplification. It is d square y by dx square is equal to 3 to the 6x plus 2 into sec x is secant square x into tan x. So this is what the second order derivative of the given function. Next question, number 17. Find the slope of the tangent to the curve y is equal to x cube minus x at x is equal to 2. Slope of the tangent means what? Dy by dx. That is what the derivative of the given function only. Let us take that equation of the curve. Let y is equal to what? X cube minus x. This is what the equation of the curve. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x. Derivative of y with respect to x is what? Dy by dx. That is equal to derivative of x cube is 3x square, 3 times of x square, minus derivative of x with respect to x is 1. And we need to calculate slope of the tangent at this particular point. For that, put x value as 2. X value 2 and substitute materially. Now dy by dx at x is equal to 2 is 3 into 2 square minus 1. That is equal to 3 into 2 square value 4 minus 1. 3 4s are 12 minus 1 which is 11. This is what the slope of the tangent at a given point. See the next question, number 18. This is from integrals. Find integration from 0 to pi sin square x by 2 minus cos square x by 2. Here is unable to integrate this function directly. Better to use trigonometric formula. So very first, let us take the given function as a I. Let us take the given integral as a I. That I is equal to integration from 0 to pi sin square x by 2 minus cos square x by 2 dx. Now take negative sign common here. Minus of integration from 0 to pi. Taking negative sign common, it becomes cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. Can check it out. Minus into plus, minus into minus, plus. So now use trigonometric formula. Using cos 2x. Cos 2x is nothing but cos square x minus sin square x. I is equal to minus sign as this 0 to pi. This is cos 2x and then 2 into x by 2. Let me write that formula because cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x. Cos square x minus sin square x. Using this formula, cos 2x is equal to what? Cos square x minus sin square x. So in place of cos square x minus sin square x, you can write cos 2x. Similarly, here x is nothing but what? X by 2. This is cos 2 times of x. X and x by 2. Now here you can cancel this 2 and 2. Then I is equal to minus integration from 0 to pi cos x dx. And you know the integration of cos x. It is simply sin x. Minus of integration of cos x is what? Sin x. The limits 0 to pi. Now apply the limits. Take upper limit first. This is sin pi minus. Take lower limit now. Sin 0. Sin 0. So it is minus of sin pi is also 0. Even sin 0 is also 0. The final answer is 0. Let's look at the question. Number 19. Find integration of x into secant square x. If you have the product of two functions, whenever if you have the product of two functions, say x is one function and secant square x is another function. So like in differentiation, we are having product rule. If you have product of two functions, then we will use product rule. That is what UV formula. And similarly, in integration also, we are having a rule to find out the integral of product of two functions. What is that rule? That is integration by parts. Integration by parts. So this is what the formula used to calculate the integral of the product of two functions. And before going to apply that rule, we must follow the rule. I can say Eilert formula. Here, the first letter I indicates inverse trigonometric functions. Second letter L for logarithmic functions. A means algebraic functions. T means trigonometric functions, and E means exponential functions. And so look at the given function here. X is what? X is an algebraic function. X is an algebraic function, and secant square x is a trigonometric function. Trigonometric function. And follow that rule. A comes before T from the left hand side. If I take from left side, A comes before T. So that is why take algebraic function as the first function and trigonometric function as the second function, and use the integration by parts rule. Let I is equal to integral of x into secant square x. Secant square x. So now use the integration by parts rule. I is equal to first function as this, and take the integral of second function. Integration of secant square x dx minus integration of derivative of first function. Derivative of first function into integral of second function. Integration of second function into dx. Don't forget to write this. Into dx into very compulsory. I is equal to x as x is tan x. Otherwise, better to remember all differentiation formula, because derivative of tan x is what? Secant square x. Exactly reverse. Okay. Integration of secant square x antandre tan x minus integration of derivative of x with respect to x is what? 1. Integration of secant square x is what? Tan x into dx. And then I is equal to, so write this term as this, x into tan x minus 1 into tan x, and simply this is tan x only. Tan x only. And integration of tan x is log of mod of sec x plus c. So this formula important. Integration of tan x is what? Log of mod of sec x. See the next question. This is from differential equations. Find the order and degree of the differential equation. For any type of question, very simple. Order means highest order derivative. That is called order of the differential equation. Here, highest order derivative is what? 3. So y dash means first order derivative. Y double dash means second order derivative. Y triple dash means third order derivative. So what is the highest order here? 3. So order of the differential equation is 3. And degree means it is the power of the highest order derivative. So what is the power of this? Power of this will be 1. So nothing means its power is 1. So degree of this differential equation is what? Is 1. See the next question. This is from vector algebra. Definitely you are going to get 2 questions from this topic. Question number 21 and 22. Question, find the projection of the vector A on B. Okay, let me write the formula. Projection of vector A on B. Vector A on B is equal to A dot B divided by magnitude of B. This is what the simple formula used to calculate projection of vector A on B in general. Projection of first vector on second vector is equal to dot product of those 2 vectors divided by magnitude of second vector. That is equal to A dot B. So the first vector is what? I plus 3j plus 7 times of k. 7 times of k. Dot. Take second vector. 7i minus j plus 8 times of k. So, whole divided by, take the magnitude of second vector. Magnitude of second vector. It is 7 square plus minus 1 square plus 8 square. Now take the dot product in the numerator. So just multiply their scalar components, because dot product of unit vectors, it is 1. I dot I, which is 1 only. Take their scalar components. 1 into 7, 7. I dot I, 1 only. Plus into minus, minus. 3 into 1 is 3. Plus into plus, plus. 7 into 8, 56. All divided by square root of 7 square value 49 minus 1 square value 1, 8 square value 64. 7 plus 56, 63 minus 3, 60. Divided by root of 49 plus 150 plus 64, which is 140. See the one more question. This is also from vector algebra. Find the area of parallelogram. Very important question. Find the area of parallelogram whose adjacent sides are given by vector A is equal to I minus j 3k, I minus j plus 3k, and the second vector B is equal to 2i minus 7j plus k. Just use this standard formula. We know that area of parallelogram, area of parallelogram area of parallelogram is equal to what? It is magnitude of A cross B. Magnitude of A cross B. So let us calculate A cross B value. A cross B is equal to cross product. It is determinant of I, J, K. The first row will be the unit vectors, and the second row is the scalar components of the first vector, that is 1, minus 1, 3, and third row will be the scalar components of the second vector, it is 2, minus 7, 1. A cross B is equal to, so expand it by using first row, is I into minus 1 into plus 1 is minus 1, minus 7 into 3. Is 3 into 7, 21, minus into minus plus, minus j into, so j is an element of first row, second column, so leave the first row, second column, 1 into 1, which is 1, minus 2 into 3, 6, plus k into, leave the first row, third column, so 1 into 7, 1 into minus 7 is minus 7, minus 2 into minus 1 is minus 1, minus into minus plus 2 is A cross B is equal to I into plus 21 minus 1, which is plus 20. I can write it directly. It is 20I. 1 minus 6 minus 5, minus into minus plus 5 times of j, 5j. 5j minus 2 plus, sorry, minus 7 plus 2, minus 5. Okay. Now take the magnitude of this vector. Magnitude of A cross B is equal to the square root of 20 square plus 5 square plus minus 5 square. That is equal to the square root of 20 square value 400, 5 square value 25, 400 plus 25, 425 plus 25, which is 450, 450. 450 is a product of 225 into 2, I can take. Square root of 225 is what? 15, 15 into root 2. 15 into root 2 square units. So 15 into square root of 2. 15 into root 2 is the area of the parallelogram. Take next question, question number 23. This is from 3D. Find the equation of the plane with intercepts 2, 3 and 4 on x, y and z axis respectively. So there is a formula to calculate the equation of the plane with the intercepts. That is, we know that, let me write that formula first, x by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1. So this is what the standard formula used to calculate the equation of the plane whenever the intercepts are given. So A, B, C are the intercepts on x, y and z axis respectively. Now put the values of A, B, C. x by 2 plus y by 3 plus z by 4 is equal to 1. So now take LCM. So LCM of 2 and 4 is what? 4. So 4 is a multiple of 2. And then take LCM of 3 and 4. LCM of 3 and 4, which is 12. Now balance it. 2 6 3 4 4 3 that is equal to 1. Take cross multiplication. 6x plus 4y plus 3z is equal to 12 into 1, which is 12. Which is the required equation of the plane. Question. This is from probability. It's not, it appears to be very lengthy. Look at the question. Assume that each child born in the family is equally likely to be a boy or a girl. And look at the second statement. If a family has 2 children, then what is the conditional probability? Conditional probability that both are girls, even that youngest is a girl. So this is what look at the second sentence. And before that, write down the sample space. Sample space according to the given condition. Okay, a family having assume that each child born in a family is equally likely to be a boy or a girl. Okay. The family has 2 children. 2 children. So the combinations are first and second are both maybe girls. Girl boy combination. Girl boy. Maybe boy girl. Both are boys. These are the 4 possible cases. Okay. These are all the sample space. And see this first condition. What is the conditional probability that both are girls? So let me take the events. Like E. Both are girls. Both are girls. Both are girls. And take second event. F. Given that youngest is a girl. Youngest is a girl. Youngest is a girl. Youngest is a girl. Now P of E is equal to both are girls means only one event, that is G comma G. So write its probability value 1 divided by 4. The variable outcome is only 1 and total number of outcomes are 4. So it is 1 by 4. P of E value is 1 by 4. And then P of F is equal to youngest is a girl. Youngest is a girl under 2 possible cases. Girl, girl, boy, girl. Girl, girl, and boy, girl. So these are the 2 possible cases. And its probability is about 2 by 4. The variable outcomes are 2 and total number of outcomes are 4. It is 2 by 4. And then here it is asked to find P of E by F. P of E by F. E by F. For that we need P of E intersection F also. And let us calculate that value first. P of E intersection F is equal to. So common points, common outcomes present in E and F are, that is only one, G comma G. G comma G. So its probability will be what? 1 by 4 again. The variable outcome is only 1 and total number of outcomes is 4. So now P of E by F, that is equal to it is P of E intersection F divided by P of F. Okay, this is what the standard formula. And now do the substitution. P of E intersection F, which is 1 by 4, divided by P of F, which is 2 by 4. 2 by 4. That is equal to 1 by 4 into 4 by 2. So 4 and 4 when you cancel, this is 1 by 2. Okay, this is what the final answer. The conditional probability that both are girls, given that the youngest is a girl, is 1 by 2. So I solved all 14 questions from part B. So in next class I will going to solve 3 more questions. That is what the part C. Thank you.